Okay, I've got a marble worktop. This is one of the Duropal range colours. This is 4.1 metres by 600. They come in 900 as well, and also 670s. I think I've got a couple of them in stock. I've got a 600, a 900. I might have a 670 somewhere. As you can see, it's got a beautiful grain to it. Really nice marble effect. A light grey colour. No damage to this one, it's new. So this one down. Yeah, it's fine. Very nice colour. I don't think I've seen a better colour in marble in any other manufacturer apart from Duropal. Duropal do 2-3 colours of marble. Like a grey one, a white one which is a Carrero, and I think they do the black one which is a Portobello. Portoro. Okay, just see that, really nice green colour. Looking for a modern, sleek kitchen style, this is the one for you. Based in Preston, 07305 184 200.